Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. Again, I'm at an abandoned building, some kind of building, I don't even know which one it is, but I wanted to show you my transportation, a motorcycle kind of. It's a it's a blue Chinese motor scooter. It's 150cc of crap, and it does like 55 miles an hour with me on it. So yeah, it's an amazing machine. It's a Qlink Siena 150 something, 150cc 4-stroke motor scooter, and it does the trick. And with stuff like this and the way it sounds, it's Chinese crap. As you can see, a beautiful matching helmet in the color gay blue. But besides, it's a Chinese thingy. It does ride fun. At least I think it's fun to ride on. So yeah. And for the rest, there's not much to say about this thing. Well, the horn works, the brakes work, electric starter works. That's it. It makes a lot of noise. But it works. I still have to tune it a little bit because it's running too high on idle, so the clutch keeps grabbing. Look, a different spot. Well, these were all houses one day, but now it's gone. And the most important question about any motorized vehicle, well, you can see it already. Will it off-road? So let's try that. Okay, as you can see, it's shaky. I've never been up this little hill before, and this is the first time, so I'm bringing you with me. I'm not really confident about it, but let's see. Nope, stuck. Okay, I did make it up here. I couldn't record it because, well, hey, I'm trying to do stuff with one hand. That's not that easy. So, well, yeah, it does off-road, so I'll be going down. Okay, I guess now it's time for the 0 to something. This thing won't do a 60 with me on it. It does 55. But well, let's see. Well, that was a 40, I guess. I don't know, I have to look it back. Okay, I know this video did not make any sense at all. I just wanted to show you that I still ride a motorcycle-ish kind of thing. And yeah, that's it. I don't have any specific details on the machine, no specifications. It's a 150cc Chinese thing, and it works, and I use it, and that's it. I'm recording. But I'm still not a US citizen yet. I don't have my own motorcycle here. I can't have my own motorcycle here yet. But once I'm a US citizen, I will get a motorcycle. I will get a GoPro and I will get back riding. Because I just love it. I like it. I'm trying to come up with great video ideas, but without a motorcycle, with a motorcycle channel, it's a bit difficult. So that's why I'm just showing you around This is nearby my home. I don't even know what it is, but it's just a nice building. It's old and it's broken, but it's fun. There's something to do. So thank you for watching. If you made it this far, probably not. It's okay. But thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel. If you do, don't forget the little notification bell so you get a notification every time I upload a new video. I'll try to still upload every week, but I can't promise anything. So thanks for watching and see you guys later.